Hi there, Tansy here. Today I will crochet this headband. So it's the same pattern. You can make a belt and you can make a headband. So let's go straight into it. I will start chaining with my 4mm hook, and then I will switch to a 3mm since I want the beginning chain not to be bunching up, and then I want a tighter gauge with my 3mm. We start with a slip knot and we chain 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So now here I will be switching to my 3mm hook. Alright, so we chain 10 and I will chain 5, and then I put my nail into that last 10th stitch so I can count much faster. So 3, 4, 5 into, so I'm skipping those 5, then I'm skipping 2 more, so I skip 7 stitches from here, and into the 8th stitch I do a single crochet, and then I chain 5 more, and then I skip 4 more stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into that 5th one I do 1 more single crochet. So chain 2 and a double crochet into that last stitch. So this is the first row of the repeat, and then turn, chain 1, and then into that stitch we do 1 single crochet. And now we're gonna start with our fans, which will be into those single crochets we put from on the previous row. So now yarn over, and we do the first post, yarn over the second post, yarn over third double crochet, yarn over the fourth double crochet, yarn over, crochet, double crochet number 5. So we have 5. Into that middle of the chain from the previous row we'll do 1 single crochet, and you just put it randomly. You just put it right there in the middle. And now into that next single crochet from the previous round we'll do 5 double crochets. So now into that last chain we'll do 1 single crochet, we'll turn, and then we'll chain 5, and then we'll do again like the first row. We're gonna just be doing single crochets, but first we're gonna find that middle stitch from the fan from the previous round. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is my third stitch. Into that stitch we'll do a single crochet, we'll chain 5, 4, 5, and we're gonna find again the middle stitch from the fan from the previous round, and into that third stitch we'll do a single crochet, and then we'll chain 2, and into that last single crochet we did we will do a double crochet in there. And now we turn, chain 1, chain, do a single crochet into that first stitch, and now into those single crochets we have here in the middles we will do 5 double crochets again. single crochet into that middle chain, and then 5 more double crochets into that single crochet from the previous round. Single crochet into that last chain, and then chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and into that middle stitch of the fan you do a single crochet, chain 5, 5 into the middle stitch of the fan you do a single crochet, and then chain 2 into that last single crochet there we do a double crochet, we turn, single crochet here, a chain, and then a single crochet, and then we do again with the fans. And this is how we'll go and repeat that for the headband. Once you reach the desired length you would like to have, you end up on the row with the chains, and you have the beginning also that start with the chain, with the foundation chain. So we're gonna hold the fronts facing each other, and we will crochet single crochets across both of the chains, those beginning and the ending, so we can have it closed. Or you can also use a sewing needle and just sew them together. So keep your loop on the hook, and through the front spaces we do 3 single crochets into those both places. You hold your pieces together, and there how we connect them. Then we skip to the next space, again through both of the sides, and we'll do 4 single crochets. And how it looks on this side. And then there is also a space a little bit smaller at the end, so we will use that space as well to put 3 more single crochets there. So there it is. We are done with connecting our headband. So do 1 more chain, tighten your stitch there, and now we are ready to cut the yarn off. And we can weave in the ends at this point. And here it is, our headband. That's gonna match perfectly with our crochet set with the skirt and the bra top. So you'll find it here in the corner. I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you like the video, you subscribe, and go watch those other videos, because that helps a lot the channel. And enjoy the rest of your day, and enjoy your summer, and I'll catch you in the next one.